Welcome to Desk Yoga for Beginners.
Feeling stiff at your desk? This easy desk yoga routine is designed for beginners and can be done right at your workspace. Follow along to improve flexibility, relieve tension, and help your mind and body relax during the workday.
Start with seated neck stretches.
Sit tall in your chair. Gently tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder, feeling the stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold for 5 breaths, then switch sides. This simple movement relieves neck tension from long hours at the computer.
Release your shoulders.
Roll your shoulders slowly. Lift both shoulders toward your ears, then roll them back and down in a circular motion. Repeat 5 times. Next, clasp your hands behind your back and gently squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold for a few breaths to open your chest.
Gentle seated spinal twist.
Sit up straight with your feet flat on the floor. Place your right hand on the back of your chair and your left hand on your right knee. Gently twist your upper body to the right, looking over your right shoulder. Take a few deep breaths, then repeat on the other side. This helps ease back tension.
Stretch your wrists and hands.
Extend one arm forward, palm up. Use your other hand to gently pull your fingers down and back, stretching your forearm and wrist. Hold for a few breaths, then switch arms. To finish, make gentle fists and circle your wrists. These stretches can ward off hand fatigue from typing.
Relax with seated forward fold.
Plant your feet hip-width apart. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Then exhale and fold forward over your knees, letting your arms and head hang down. Breathe deeply for a few moments, allowing your entire back and shoulders to relax. Return to an upright position slowly.
End with mindful breathing.
The following tips. Inhale for 4 counts, hold briefly, and exhale for 4 counts. Even a minute or 2 of mindful breathing can help refresh your focus and reduce stress before returning to your work.